control with incher to control the speed of the motor according to your need and preference. This food processor comes with 3 jars, processing bowl, spindle, spindle extension, 2-in-1 pusher, kneading and chopping blade, fine or coarse shredding blade, unique slicing blade, spatula, citrus juicer, centrifugal juicer, instruction manual, and warranty card included in the box. For delivery and installation, please refer to product detail page. Prime members get free delivery. For EMI